What's up everyone, Kyle here and welcome to the channel. Lately, I've been getting a lot of requests to take a look at Verasity VRA. So in today's video, we're going to be jumping in, checking it out, seeing what all this hype is about. And of course, none of this is financial advice as I just simply don't do that on this channel. If there's anything in this video that I didn't cover that you feel is important, mention it in the comment section down below and share with the community. Let's get into the video. Starting off nice and easy here on Coinbase, looking at the 24-hour line chart. And we see that Veracity's just been grinding its way sideways for most of the day and recently catching a nice pop to the upside where price action seems to be holding up quite well. We see that Verasity is up 15.8% on the day. It's up 18% on the week, up 454% on the month. And then that yearly's coming in at a whopping 12,410%. Right now, the current 24-hour trade volume is around 46 million, so definitely going to want to see that increase, and likely it will if Verasity keeps moving to the upside. And we see that the market cap is currently at 180.8 million. And quickly zipping over to CoinMarketCap, we see Verasity has risen to rank number 298 and is currently trading at 0.047 cents. We see that the max supply is just over 10 billion, as well as the total supply. And according to CoinMarketCap, 37% of that is in circulation. When we hit the markets tab here, we can see that you can buy Verasity on KuCoin as well as Bittrex and Gate.io, just to name a few. And quickly stopping over at Verasity.io, Verasity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment in a nutshell. But I think the biggest thing lately for these guys is that they came out with POV protocol and it's patented. And I found a good article about this by Cointelegraph. It was published on March 12th. I'll leave it in the description down below for everybody. But it says blockchain protocol gets patent in quest to stop fake views on videos. Forget fake news, this blockchain protocol is tackling fake views and clamping down on ad fraud, ensuring video data cannot be manipulated. It goes on to say a blockchain protocol says its goal is to significantly increase engagement for video publishers and deliver a much needed boost to their advertising revenues. Veracity's proof of view protocol, which has been rewarded with a patent from the US Patent and Trademark Office, ensures that views recorded on video platforms are genuine, delivering accurate, secure, real, and transparent audience metrics recorded on the blockchain. And scrolling a little further down on the website, we see VRA Rewards product layer is integrated for the following video players: YouTube, Twitch, and Vimeo, just to name a few, and certainly the titans of the space. So in other words, you can earn VRA tokens for watching content from these platforms. If we come over to Verasity TV, we can learn a little bit more about that. Scrolling up here a bit, yeah, watch and earn VRA. Earn VRA by watching videos and ads on sites of publishers and creators you love. When you see the trophy turn green, click it to claim the reward into your Vera wallet. Very easy. When I scroll back down a bit here, we see that tools. Verasity builds the tools and infrastructure for publishers to serve attention-rewarded video to billions of viewers. SDKs are now available for the following video players, and then we see YouTube, Vimeo, and Twitch, and more tools coming soon. Very cool. And popping back to Verasity.io, we see in the news on CNBC, Forbes, just to name a couple. So they are getting their message out in some pretty notable news coverage here. So that's always positive to see. Down here, we see that VRA does have a staking program. The VRA staking program is in place to reward VRA holders to commit their tokens for a set period of time and be rewarded in turn. Holders of VRA can opt to send their tokens to their Vera wallet to deposit or stake. They have a very extensive roadmap here. I suggest everybody come by and take a very close look at this. We always want to make sure that a team is honoring their roadmap and delivering and even over-delivering on some of these things, which is even more of a positive sign. But very, very detailed, very long roadmap. I do like roadmaps, so come check that out. And they have some of their partnerships and investors on display down here. All the way from North Block Capital, Black Green Capital, so you can always look into those to see what that's all about. And down here, we see the core leadership with a little bit of a write-up on each person here. So it's good to check out the team as well. So here we have Verasity up on a daily chart in TradingView, and starting off with the price action, I see that Verasity is literally just parabolic. Massive pop coming in right here. Classic bull flag and another pop to the upside, and it looks like Verasity is about to resolve yet another bull flag right around that 10 simple moving average. The volume coming in is extremely convincing, and we see it getting above that moving average, and that moving average is just sky high. Looking left, I see that the diamond hands that were doing their research early were loading up in this area here, so congratulations to you for spotting this and getting in early, as you're probably sitting in some very, very nice profit right now. Drop down to the RSI. The RSI is in the bullish control zone. getting back above the moving average, as well as going into that, let's just say it's got some room to run here. Down here on the stochastics crossing back to the upside in the bullish control zone. Some momentum clearly up as price structure confirms that. Down below here in the MACD also, we have the fast line finding support off the slow line, and now just back to the upside. Another solid bar of positive momentum coming in here. So, it looks to me that Verasity at the very least is going to ride a hype cycle here. I do believe that we're in the first wave of alt season right now. Who knows how many waves we get. I think that Bitcoin could be posturing up for another big move to the upside, which could slow the altcoins down for a short period of time. But then when Bitcoin goes into a consolidation, I think that we'll see the next wave of alt season, and who knows how crazy this gets. But so far looking pretty good here. Looks like it's getting ready to stick in another all-time high. But again, everyone, do your own research. Don't just buy this because some YouTuber told you to. And be strategic. Understand there's going to be some pullback candles along the way, and even some greater corrections. If I pull up a price range tool right here from this wick down to that wick there, I mean, that was a 53% correction that took place in the span of 5 days. So just understand that if you don't buy this at the right time, you might see some pretty big decreases on your investment in the short term. But of course, it does seem to be just marching its way up higher and higher highs and higher lows along the way. Just try to be as strategic as you possibly can. Anyhow, thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. Hope you're all well out there. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. And until I do, have yourselves a powerful day.